Let's look at some product rule examples. It says find dy dx, but do not simplify. So I will say that this first piece, that is f, I'll call that my f, and I'll say this second piece of the multiplication, I'll call that g. Okay? Remember, product rule is first times the derivative of the second plus second times the derivative of the first. So I know what f is and I know what g is, but now I need to write what f prime is and g prime is. So here's f prime. Take the derivative of that red highlighted expression. We're going to get 4x to the third power minus 6x squared. And the minus 7 over here, that's constant. So we will get plus 0 or minus 0, but we don't have to put that, right? So we got the derivative of that first piece. Let's find the derivative of g prime. And that will be 6x minus 5. So let's put these together using a product rule, okay? So look, the product rule says first times the derivative of the second, okay, which is right here. And I need to do second times, second right there, derivative of the first. Where's I'll use gray. Okay, so we're really just going to put these colorful pieces together. So here's my final answer, f prime equals. Following this formula, I need the red piece first, right? So I will write parenthesis x to the fourth minus 2x cubed minus 7. That's what the red was, right? Now I'm multiplying this red by the orange, the g prime, which is 6x minus 5. All right, plus sign in the middle. I need g, the original second expression, and that would be what? 3x squared minus 5x. And the last piece is f prime, and that would be 4x cubed minus 6x squared. And since they said do not simplify, that is what I'm going to write as my final answer. Okay, let's try one more in the bottom of this page. So it says do not simplify, but I do see this y equals this trinomial times a binomial. I want to rewrite this guy's square root of x. So let's rewrite this as, this is this, all right, the whole thing, y equals x squared plus 4x minus 11, keep that the same, but I want to change that square root of x as x to the 1/2 power, okay? Now let's start. That's the first f, that's f right there, and this is my g. So we have f times g going on, so let's find the derivative of each pieces first. F prime is going to be 2x plus 4, right? So g prime is going to be 21x squared minus half times x to the negative 1/2 power. All right, now we're ready to put these together. Product rule says to find the derivative of a product expression, we're going to do first times the derivative of the second plus second times the derivative of the first. So that's all you're going to have to do. So let's see that we got the first expression highlighted in red. The second expression is going to be this right there. So we'll multiply the red by orange, do the plus sign, and then we have to do the second times the derivative of the first expression, which will be right here. So let's put these together. Y prime equals, what first? X squared plus 4x minus 11 first. Now I need the orange, right? First times the second. That's right there. 21x to the second power minus half times x to the negative 1/2 power. All right, give me 1 second. I'm gonna have to zoom out a little bit. And then we did the first times the derivative of the second. Red times orange. So let me put a plus sign after that. And we need green. Let's see, where's the green? G. 7x to the third minus x raised to the 1/2 power. And lastly, I'm multiplying this by 2x plus 4. And that's it for the final answer. Thank goodness they said don't simplify. So this is where we're going to stop for these product rule problems.